If somebody asks you this question in German, which month is your birthday? I mean, in welchem Monat hast du oder haben Sie Geburtstag? Would you be able to answer correctly? Would you even understand the question? So today we are going to be learning month of the year in German. Hello, welcome back to Connect Language. This is lesson 4. In today's lesson, we'll be learning the 12th month of the year, their correct pronunciation. We would build sentences with this month and everything you need to know about month of the year in German. And this is very useful when you want to talk about appointments, you want to talk about your birthday, seasons, and dates. So kindly pay attention to today's lesson. But then you already know what to do. You know how we do it over here. So click on the subscribe button if you have still not subscribed to this YouTube channel. Like this video and make sure you share with your loved ones. And if you are ready like I am, lass uns anfangen. And welcome back to class. All you need to do now is to get a book and a pen and write down these points I'm about to tell you. So the first thing to note is that month of the year in German are masculine. So they take the definite article der, okay? January, der, February, der, March, der, till you get to December. So all of the month of the year in German are masculine. They are masculine because they are nouns. So always make sure to write the first letter of each month in capital letter. Remember, all German nouns start with capital letters. Another thing is when you want to talk about month of the year in German, like you want to say in so month, maybe in January, you use the preposition im, which is like in plus dem. So we have im. Okay, good. And now if I've written down all of these points, then let me tell you what month is in German. So singular month in German is der Monat. Der Monat. Good. And then plural, you want to say month with s at the end. In German, die Monate. Die Monate. So you can say ein Monat hat etwa 28 bis 31 Tage, which means that a month has about 28 to 31 days, okay? And then I can say in einem Jahr gibt es 12 Monate, which means that there are 12 months in a year. Now let's start with January. How do you say January in German? So it is Januar. Januar, not Januar. Of course, it starts with letter J, but then it is not pronounced Januar because J in German does not sound J in words. It sounds Y, okay? So you say Januar, im Januar, in January, okay? Der Januar. How do you say February in German? Februar, okay? Im Februar, der Februar. And then to March, how do you say March in German? March is März, not Mart, because the A here now is not A, it's the A umlaut. And you know that A umlaut sounds A in words, so März, im März. Good. And then April, how do you say April in German? April. Im April. Der April. And then May, how do you say May in German? May is Mai. Good. And then to June. How do you say June in German? Juni. Remember, J is not pronounced J in German, okay? Juni, not Juni, okay? Good. And then to July, how do you say July in German? Juli. Good. And then to August, how do you say August in German? August, August, August. Im August, der August. And then September. How do you say September in German? September, September. So it sounds like the pronunciation is close to how it sounds in English. Just that remember, when you have S starting a word or the syllable of a word, it sounds Z. Okay, so September, September. Good. And then October in German is October, October. Okay, it's pronounced the same way it's pronounced in English, just that it is spelled differently. Instead of C, we have K, so O K T O B A R. Okay, October. And then November is November in German. November, November. Good. And then to December. December in German is Dezember, December, not December because it is Z. No, remember Z is TS in German. So let's quickly go through the month from January to December. So we have Januar, Februar, März, April, Mai, Juni, Juli, August, September, October, November, December. Good. So now we've just learned the 12 months of the year in German. So now how do you now talk about your birthday? How do you ask somebody when is your birthday? Okay, so if you want to ask someone when is your birthday, informally you would say wann hast du Geburtstag? Wann hast du Geburtstag? And formally you would say wann haben Sie Geburtstag? Wann haben Sie Geburtstag? So it means like when have you birthday? Like when do you have your birthday? Okay, if you want to be specific, like you want to ask in which month do you celebrate your birthday, then you will say in welchem Monat haben Sie Geburtstag? In which month do you have your birthday? In welchem Monat haben Sie Geburtstag? Formally, and then informally you want to ask to your friends or your family, then you can say in welchem Monat hast du Geburtstag? In welchem Monat hast du Geburtstag? When do we celebrate Christmas? I would ask wann feiern wir Weihnachten? Wann feiern wir Weihnachten? Of course, we know that we celebrate Christmas in December. Im Dezember feiern wir Weihnachten. Oder wir feiern Weihnachten im Dezember. Good. So back to the question. When do you have your birthday? Wann haben Sie Geburtstag? Okay, so I would go first, then you drop yours in the comments. Ich habe im März Geburtstag. Ich habe im März Geburtstag. I have my birthday in March. So write yours in the comments. And that will be all for month of the year in German. Now you can make plans in German, talk about dates, appointments, birthdays, and so on. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more German lessons like this. And I'll see you in my next video. Bis nächstes Mal. Tschüss.